Alright, y'all. I'm going to do a little comparison of the first voltmeter I ever had. I got when I was like 10 or 12, somewhere around 90, 92. And the first meter I ever bought brand new in 2017 to replace this one. So here's the two. 8060A and the 179. Love them both. Both great meters. The 80s, let's see, 20,000 count, 6,000 count, 4.5 digits, 3.5 digits. 1982, 2017, both are true RMS. Now, some of the little luxury features that this one don't have, that this one does, that was an upgrade, is it has a bar graph, has auto hold, it has a backlight, it has auto range instead of having to pick every single range every single time. This one also has capacitance that the other one doesn't have. And this one has hertz, decibels, and a rel button, while this one has hertz, temperature, and capacitance, but no rel button. That kind of sucks. This one will do nanosiemens. It has a rel button. And this one will do min, max, and average. Auto hold, regular hold. And this one on the amperage setting, 2 amps max. Whereas this one on the amperage setting, 10 amps max. So y'all, just a short little comparison of the first meter I had and the first meter I bought new. I love this one. Oh, I used it. It put in its wallops. It's been repaired and cleaned and got a new screen, lens, and everything. But the rest of it's original. So, well, it was. If you seen that video of working on the Camaro, you could see this thing was filthy and nasty and beat up at one point. But they clean up, man. They clean up nice. It did need a new lens, though, which it got, which is flawless. So, that's 1982 versus 2017. I used this, was my daily meter, working construction and building maintenance and stuff, my personal meter, until 2017 when I bought this one. So, and this one is still right on, almost as accurate as the newer meters. It's, alright, let's see. This one here, 82. Look at that, 1.0061. And look how it agrees with the Bryman that's 6 months old and the 189. And I can't mess with these. I can't adjust these. And I haven't adjusted this one. I took it apart and cleaned the case, put it back together. But after all these years, it just agrees. So, there you go, man. That's a comparison of my first meter and the first meter I ever bought new. Alright, y'all. Y'all have a good one.